Hello students, welcome to the class. Today in the series of Beehive, we are going to start a new chapter, My Childhood. In this chapter, we will study about the childhood of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This lesson is extract from the autobiography of Dr. Abdul Kalam, The Wings of Fire. Students, can you think of any scientist who have also been statesmen? When we think about a scientist who have also been statesmen, कोई एक ऐसा साइंटिस्ट जो साइंटिस्ट के साथ साथ राजनेता भी रहा हो, then what name come in your mind? आपके दिमाग में क्या नाम आता है? The name is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, in today's lesson, we will study about the biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Wings of Fire. It's an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainulabedin Abdul Kalam, an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born on 15th October 1931 in a middle-class Muslim family in the island town of Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. In his childhood, he was greatly influenced by his parents, his teachers, and his friends. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. He spent the next 4 decades as a scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), and was intimately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He thus came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launched vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical and political role in India's Pokhran nuclear test second in 1998. But unfortunately, while he was delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Ceylon, Kalam collapsed and died from an apparent cardiac arrest on 27th of July 2015 at the age of 83. Thousands of people, including national level dignitaries, attended the funeral ceremony held in his hometown of Rameshwaram, where he was buried with full state honors. Awards and honors conferred to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Kalam received 7 honorary doctorates from 40 universities. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 for his work with ISRO and DRDO and his role as a scientific advisor to the government. In 1997, Kalam received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, for his contribution to the scientific research and modernization of defense technology in India. In 2013, he was the recipient of the Von Braun Award from the National Space Society to recognize excellence in the management and leadership of a space related project.